Good morning to all. Welcome to the e-class of Deepal School, Baribada. Good morning, children. Today, I Tapas are going to teach value education to class 4 students. Today's lesson is lesson number 11. Lesson number 11, and this lesson is in your annual exam course, and the lesson is sharing. How we should share our thing, whatever thing we have, with others. This is also a good manner, good quality in we should generally we should have with us. How we should think of sharing things with others. Let's start the story, children. Once upon a time, there were two brothers, Ramu and Shamu. They worked together on their family farm. Ramu was married and had a large family. The other brother, Shamu, was a bachelor. This is a story about two brothers. One was the elder brother name was Ramu, and the younger brother name was Shamu. Both of them worked in their family farm. Ramu, being married, had a big family, his wife and son. But Shamu, the younger one, was bachelor, he was unmarried. At the day end, the brothers shared everything equally, their crops and their profit made from selling it. At the end of the day, whatever they earned by selling the crops, every day they used to share equally among each other, so that they should not feel, or anybody should not feel that he is being cheated by getting less part or portion of the crop what they have got from the farm. So both of them used to get equal amount of money and the crop after whole day work. One day Shamu thought it is not right that we should take equal share. The crop and money that I get, my share is much more than what I need. Means younger brother Shamu thought that both of them we get equal amount of crop and money, but it is not right as far as he thinks, because his brother family is bigger, his expenditure also more, so it is very bad that the amount of money what his brother get is equal with him, because his expenditure is more, means he want more money. So he took a sack of grain from his share and went across the crop field between their houses. While there he dumped the sack of grain into the brother's storehouse. Meanwhile, the married brother thought it's not right that Shamu and I should share the crop and money equally, after all I am married. So the Shamu took a sack of crop or grain from his godown, and at the night at midnight he used to go to the storehouse of his elder brother Ramu and used to keep every day a sack of grain to make or he felt that his elder brother should get more than him, because his family is bigger than him, because he is unmarried and his brother is married, so his expenditures are also more, so he needs more percentage of profit. So he used to give every day in the night, he used to take a sack of grain to his brother's storehouse. Meanwhile, his elder brother also was thinking like that. He thought that I am being married, I have a family, I have a wife and a son, they are with me. whatever problem I will have in future, they will be there with me to take care of me. You can see I have a wife and a children. They can look after me in my later years. But Shamu has no one. So Ramu took a sack of grain and dumped it into his brother's storehouse. They did this every night. Both brothers were puzzled for years. They could not understand their they could not understand why their supply of grains never grew less. So the elder brother also took the same step. He also took a grain of sack of grain every night to his younger brother Shamu's go down or storehouse. He used to keep it there without without the knowledge of younger brother. Means he has not told his younger brother that he is every night he is doing that thing. But both of them were very much in confused that even though they are giving up a share of from their profit, then also their quantity of grains in the godown remain the same. It doesn't affect any with it. Then one dark night, the two brothers dumped into each other's. They realized their stock never diminished. They dropped their sack of grains and hugged each other. One night it so happened both of them were going to dump the crops grain of sack of grain to each other's go down. On the way they met each other, and that time they both of them came to know that what the elder brothers were thinking about the younger brother, same way the younger brother was also thinking about his elder brother. So both of them had a great love and affection, bonding with each other. So they thought of helping each other in their own way. So this lesson teaches us that whether it is younger or elder, it doesn't matter. You should always have respect and feeling for your brothers and sisters. After all, we are human being. If we will not feel about each other, then it is very simple thing. So we should always think about others first. Then only you will find there is love and affection grows in the relationship. So the moral of the story is happiness is not so much in having as sharing. We make a living by what we get, but we make a life by what we give. Happiness is not what we have with us. Happiness is also not that much have if we share something with us, but we should feel that whatever we have, whatever little thing we have, if we can share with other, the joy we get from that work will remain for with us throughout our life. Is one of our achievement that we have that mentality that we can help other. Thank you children for watching this video. Thank you for listening this story as well. Please watch it again and again. And very important story, very beautiful story that you should always have a feeling of sharing thing with other, especially with your relatives, with your brothers and sisters. That will automatically increase the love between you. So next video I will tell you another story, another lesson. Till then, bye bye. God bless you.